No, they.
And what's the safety boat?
It's there to take pictures and that make everything.
Hey, how come all the boats are on... Ogopogo's gone!
Ogopogo's going out to put a guy on the water with the sailing ship. Look at the sails on that one.
What did you say? Ogopogo's what?
Whoa!
Whoa, what display with the canyon again?
Did you see the cannonball, Carter?
No.
Wow.
Is it real cannonballs? Or balloons? That?
What?
Are they water balloons?
Yeah.
Oh, no fair! How come they didn't fire at us? Dad?
What?
When we were up against them, how come they didn't fire at us?
Oh, they were being nice to us. We didn't want to get too wet. Mommy, see, look at the guy going sailing now.
What?
Your hands at my feet.
Pogo did that? Hey, does Pogo send a little balloon? Hey, last time we were in that balloon thing, last time we saw that balloon, was that Pogo that did it? Dad? Yes or no? Pogo did it? What? Mom, is that fair? Mom, that's totally not fair, right?
Right.
What the?
They shiver me timbers.
Whoa. Hey, remember one ship we fought had a guy on the roof up there?
Yeah.
Hey, remember that ship that we were fighting? And it was a fight and we could shoot them, they could